Hello, what's your name?
So my name is Homin Kumar.
And how are you doing today?
So I'm doing good.
Okay, that's nice.
Yes.
And may I ask you that for how long have you been a student in English Mania?
So I joined this coaching in 2020.
Hmm.
Yes.
But after that, pandemic took place, right?
Yes, sir.
Then you had to make a gap.
Yes.
And you had been absent,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And then you rejoined.
Yes.
Okay. How has your experience been
So,
here?
my experience is very awesome, and
Okay.
according to me, it's very nice coaching.
Okay.
Yes.
And one more question.
Yes.
Why did you choose only English Mania?
Sir, according to me, environment is very good of English Mania, and sir, and you have great knowledge about English because you worked in a MNC company. So according to me, you have great knowledge, and I will suggest you to everyone, and they should join this coaching, English Media coaching.
Okay, you personally suggest.
Yes, yes.
Okay, that's good, and thank you so much for that. Now, actually, I'm going to ask you certain questions. So, are you ready?
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Okay, then first of all, I want that you to throw light on child labor because so many children are there in the country,
Yes.
and because of the compulsion and because of their poverty
Yes.
and misery in life,
Yes, sir.
they have to work as a labor rather than studying.
Yes, sir.
Right? So I want you to please let us know about it. Is it appropriate? Is it good? And if it is bad, then what are the solutions?
Okay, sir.
Please let
Okay.
us know about it.
According to child labor is not good, but under the compulsion, many many children work at the shop. But and some of them they study, and some of them they don't study because in children age, and we should not work at any shop because when we are habitual of money, so we don't do
When we are in habit of earning money,
when we are in habit of earning money, so then we can habitual of smoking and drinking in child age.
okay,
So just and children
at the early age.
yes, early age. And nowadays, according to me, education is free.
Okay.
If you go to any child, if any child goes to school, then he will not have to pay money, and he will get free things like bags and meal, and also there is a bajifa. It is called like money.
Okay,
One
that
kind of
kind-
money. Yes, one kind of money like
Okay.
300 rupees per year.
Kind of a subsidy from the
subsidy.
side of the government,
Yes,
right?
yes, sir.
Hmm.
Subsidy. So according to me, everyone should study in child age because if you are unable to join any college, so it depends on condition. But in child age, we should study because and we got to know about at this time. If you go to anywhere, if you are unable to read,
If you go to
if you go any sorry,
Yeah.
if you go anywhere, if you
Yes.
are unable to read any station or name of the station, if you are unable to read any name of the crossing, so it's not good, and no one will tell you, I think. So that's why, and we should study in child age, and child labor is there according to me, the father and mother, and they can earn as much as, and they can admit their children in a school, just, and they don't have to pay, just they have to take care of their meal, and there are many things and which child need in
which
child
a child needs.
which a child needs
Yes.
in children age, and in there are many, they work at the shop, they need, but it depends on the thing. Okay, you can work as well as you can study, just as what I am doing right now.
Yes.
And according to me, government should think about the children. Yes, and right now, because prices of everything has been increased, and government should think about the people and children. According to me, they should not work at the any shop.
You're right.
Because many shopkeepers, they want that, and you have to work from morning to evening. But sometimes children don't get time to
Yes.
study, so they should study. Yes.
So, what would you say about those children or those kids? Whose family condition is not good and under the compulsion because they have to support their family.
Yes,
So
sir.
that's why their study takes a backseat. Second,
Yes, sir.
what about those kids who are not able to set their heart on learning or on study? Even if they go to school or college, they won't be able to study because they don't want. Desire is not there.
Desire is not there. So first I will say that I would like to say that, sir, the people, the children who don't want to do who don't want to study.
Yes.
So first, and we have to make them study, because according to me, in children age, no one wants to study.
Okay.
Because they don't know about their future, what future will be, because they don't know, and that's why we have to make them aware about their future. If you don't study, so you will have to work like a labor, and your life will be spoiled definitely if you don't study. So, and when we make them aware, they will study in a children age. When we will grow up, then they will get to know about their aim. But we have to make them aware like till the 8th till the 12th age, just. And we should admit them in school. And sir, about aim and the children who don't want to study, when they get desire,
Okay.
then they will definitely study. There was a story of a children,
Of a child.
he didn't used to study in their life, because he said that father
In his life.
in his life.
You're talking of a child, right?
Yes, sorry sir. And his father said to him, if you don't want to study, then I will I will buy buffaloes. And he used to go to a jungle forest every day. So it was good work for him, according to him.
Okay.
So one day he was very thirsty, he went to the well. Then when he reached the well, then he saw some cracks on the well. When he
In the well?
in the well.
Yes.
So he thought that how did it happen that only on the well, because it was a
On
stone
the well? In the well.
in the well, because it was made by the stone.
Yes.
Because of only one rope. When he think that because of one rope there are many cracks on the well, so how can I not study? How can I not drag my mind? So then when he went to the home, then he said to his father, I would study in my life. So father said to us, then he said to me, I didn't want to study, but right now you are saying to me that I would study. So I would not. I think you would leave the study, and I will, if I admit you in the school, you would leave your school. So he said, no, I would study.
Okay.
So after that, because he got a desire from a well.
Right.
He got a desire, and sir, after that, it was told by someone that he studied too much, and after that he became a big officer. So just then we have to wake up the desire in someone's mind, in children's mind.
We have to arouse the desire.
We have to arouse the desire.
Arouse
the
their
desire.
desire.
They
Like
will
that.
they will study definitely.
So they need motivation.
Yes sir.
Right?
Yes sir.
That's what you think about
Yes sir.
the child
If
labor.
there is desire, you can work and you can study as well. If there is desire.
Okay.
Yes sir.
And what message would you like to convey to those people who want to learn English?
Sir, and I would like to share them. If you
But
taught,
actually, some people want to learn English, but they have a fear or they have the lack of belief.
yes,
So, what would you say to them?
yes, sir. And many people say that why is the need of learning English? According to me, if you don't want to learn, just you should learn English, because if you speak in Hindi, no matter, because you are living in India, so you can speak in Hindi, but you should have knowledge about English. If you go anywhere, and you will have to speak in English, because there are many languages.
Languages.
There are many languages in India, which are spoken in from the other part, like from the other states. Okay, if you go anywhere, if you have knowledge about English, you can ask anything. But you don't have, you can't, and you will not get even job. If you go to any interview, then if someone asks you any question in English, I think you will not be aware that aware of that. What did he ask me? So I think you will not be able to answer that. Or you should learn English, because if it improves your personality, so you should learn English. And the people who have fear of English, because when we don't know anything, sir, we have fear. When we learn anything, we don't have fear.
Okay.
Because everyone has fear, and I also had fear. When I didn't join this coaching, I also didn't know about anything. But right now, I'm able to speak. But I commit mistake a lot. I know that, but I'm able to speak. So we should not have fear. In starting, in beginning, we have fear, but we should not, we should remove the fear, and still we should learn English.
Okay,
And you will definitely learn, definitely.
So people should remove phobia.
Yes sir.
And they
phobia,
should
sir.
generate mania.
It's not a big phobia. You are not going to jump into the any well, into the any river. Just it's like a learning English. You will learn definitely.
They are not going to lose their lives.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
That's what you think.
Yes,
Or
sir.
that's the message that you want to convey.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Homendra, in this video, that is all. Yeah. I'll come back with many more questions.
Yes, sir.
I'll be asking you. Okay. By the time you are going to take a short break,
Yes.
and then I'll call you back and I'll be asking you many more questions.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So by the time, be ready. Yeah.
Okay.
Or be mentally prepared for that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then we will continue with
Okay,
the
sir.
same. Okay.
Yes, thank you,
Take
sir.
care then by the time.